everyone, in this video we'll be going over briefly how to make your own super treasure hunts, because in essence the super treasure hunts on the Hot Wheels line just has Spectraflame paint, which is another moniker for what is commonly known as candy paint. So this is the effect that you'll see, and the steps of painting it is fourfold in terms of spraying only, but there's a required precursor is that you need to strip the paint with paint remover, because the car originally looked something like this in terms of paint, and like you need to get the original color off before you spray paint. If not, it's a simple fact that like spraying a red on blue doesn't make red, right? So that's that. You just strip the paint, and after stripping the paint, you check the car to see if there's any body defects, or if there's any like high points you kind of want to sand down. Like, okay, maybe you don't want this hood detailing. You can sand it down, you know. And after that, we'll go over with a layer of primer, just so that the paint will adhere better. And after primer, you can do some double checking to see, hey, if the coverage is good, if you've gotten every single part that you want to spray. And yeah, after that, the manufacturer of the spray paint I got recommends hitting it with what they call sparkling silver, but it's essentially glitter. This whole can is essentially glitter with a bit of silver backing. So you can see there's some metal flakes underneath the paint here. You can't really see it over orange peel, but that's that. Yeah, you can see some glitter there. Yeah, and after that, it's too late to do any sanding to correct paint at this point. So the next step is to hit it with the candy red. This is what I have, but you can obviously do any other candy colors, you know, red, purple, whatever, red, purple, green, whatever, like whatever is your choosing. I decide to go with this one because I'm still learning, and I really want to do red. Any other colors kind of seem boring to me. And once you're done, you can optionally do some, you know, headlight detailing or taillight detailing, but that's completely up to you. You can choose to omit it completely and end the whole process with clear. You can do matte clear or gloss clear, but I did gloss clear because I find it makes the paint a lot more wet than matte. So you can see all like the little details of it. It shines absolutely amazingly under sunlight. But under artificial light, maybe this color temperature is not where it's at. But you cannot really see it in camera, which is unfortunate. It's the best effect is still under sunlight, and it just sparkle and shine really nicely. I'll let you guys check this out under a turntable so you can see it without my hands. And yeah, thank you so much for watching. There will be a creation montage after this, so stay tuned if you want to check that out. Yeah, let me know if you want to see more tutorials and guides. Thank you.